everyone, congratulations on the purchase of your new Simi 10 machine. This is a digital machine that has a digital faceplate. So we're just going to walk you through basics on how to use your machine and how to work it for a session. So this here is your power cord. You just plug it right on in. And then when you purchase the machine, it comes with two attachments, the large loop and this butterfly loop. We're just going to plug in the butterfly loop for now. It is important that you do want to hear it click into place. That's how it's tight and secure, just like that. So once everything's all plugged in, power the machine on. So now that you're here with this digital faceplate, you have a couple of different options. This mode button, you can actually alternate between the timer and the power, and you can adjust those to any time you would like, as well as the power. When you have everything situated, just hit start, and then you can hear the clicking. So with this machine, you have 10 different power settings, and they go up in half intervals. So 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, all the way up to 10. So you can just hear it clicking. And that's for basic adjustments for how the machine works. You can definitely change the time during the setting. So if you want to switch the time, go over to mode. Oh, I lied, you can't do that during a session.
Oh, that's okay. I can cut that out.
Okay.
You just want to pick up to your next selling point.
So during the session, when it is going, you are more than welcome to pause the session at any given moment. You just hit the stop. And then if you want to resume it, you just hit the start again, and it will resume exactly where you left off. When you are all done with the session and you do want to know how many hours you have on your machine, you press start in mode at the same time, and your total runtime will come up at the top. That's just beneficial to see how many hours you have put on your machine. And once you are done with the machine, done with your session, you can just power your machine off, unplug the attachments, and have it all ready for the next time you need to use it.